Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I just want to talk to you guys about the Navy Fed account. So I was telling a lot of clients to sign up for the Navy Fed account, and I see a lot of people sign up for their secure credit card and they get approved for it. So you can put down $200 on that account with Navy Fed, and that card will graduate to a $2,000 credit card. Now, people that have bad credit, a lot of my clients have bad credit, they can't get regular credit cards. So this is a great way to get your foot through the door so that in 6 months you will be with a great credit union that will be able to get you higher limit credit cards. So with Navy Fed, usually you have to be in the military, or you have to had a family member that's in the military, or get a referral or someone's access code to be able to become a Navy Fed member. But I always tell people that Navy Fed don't even ask for any documents. They don't even ask for proof. So say if you say, oh, my grandma was in the Navy, they're not going to say, hey, where is the documents for your grandmother in the Navy? They're not going to tackle you and get all these documents from you. So if you're looking to get the account, I'm not telling you to lie to them. All I'm telling you is that if you had a family member that's in the Army and you can't get their documents, don't be scared to apply for it, because you're most likely still going to be able to get approved and they're not going to need those documents. But don't go to Navy Fed messing it up, you guys. If you guys are getting these credit cards, you can't pay back, don't spend anything on them. Just let them send in your credit card looking pretty. Don't spend it, because you don't want to mess up Navy Fed for those people that can really use it. Or even, you may know people around you that got the credit card just like you, and I messed it up, and now Navy Fed is getting more strict on their rules. So don't mess up Navy Fed. Like, seriously, don't mess it up, you guys. But again, they're not going to ask for the documents saying, hey, you said your grandma was in the Army, where's the documents for that? You said she was in the Navy, where's the documents? They're not going to ask for documents. So hopefully they help you guys. But you can see too, a client right here said that this actually help for them. So I'm happy that you guys are definitely get approved for these credit cards. But make sure you keep the balance on these credit cards, and then you should be able to get more credit cards with higher limits. See you guys in the next video.